Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Brasso, and I hope you're all excited for the Yule Ball and all the fun and exciting stuff coming your way. Fair with that, today we're going to be covering the most wizardly beverages, Butterbeer. To cast this mighty spell of sugar, topped with even more sugar, our ingredients today will be cream soda, should be caramel extract, but I could not find the source, so we're going to start with maple, and butter extract. And we're going to top that with some nice homemade cream topping using heavy whipped cream, butterscotch topping, and confectioner sugar. And we'll also need something mixed with that, and mixer.
Now the cream was the hard part, and all we do now is have a nice chilled glass of our preferred brand of cream soda, like I have here. Pour into a nice glass. And mix in our extracts. Like I said before, I could not find caramel. I'm using maple here, but any extract will do. Anything that in flavor you'd like. And then the butter. Give it a good stir. And then top with as much cream as you want. I made a full serving as in the recipe, so I have quite a bit left over. Here we have our complete Butterbeer. Final step, the taste test. Which it has passed with flying colors.